Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
First Lady of Edo State, Mrs. Betsy Obaseki, says women have been instrumental to the success of the outgoing administration of Governor Godwin Obaseki in the state. Mrs. Obaseki made the observation recently during the just concluded 2023 edition of the AKUGHA Women's Economic Summit in Benin City, the Edo State capital.
The AKUGHA Women's Economic Summit is an annual event that brings women from all walks of life together to celebrate their potentials and achievements in Edo State. It also provides a platform for women to share their experiences, insights and ideas on how to move the state forward. First Lady of Edo State, Mrs. Betsy Obaseki, who hosted this year's edition of the Women's Summit, observed that they had made useful contributions in the governance of the state in the last 7 years plus. She also noted that Governor Obaseki, who was finishing well and strong, had been unwavering in his commitment to women's advancement in Edo State.
You have a governor who is women-friendly. You have a governor who has said to the people in his party, allow the women to express themselves, give them their own rightful positions. You have given the governor and I such wonderful, marvelous support since we came on board. And this is for me a thank you, get together to Edo women for all the good things you're doing.
This year's edition of the AKUGHA Women's Economic Empowerment Summit was a rallying point for women in politics, business, diverse professions and vocations to share their collective experiences and ideas. Organizers of the summit said it was a platform to create awareness for women's inclusion in the governance of Edo State.
It's an awareness program for women in Edo State, so as to include the women in our programs and in our economic agenda and economic conversations.
I want to extend my deepest gratitude to our vacancy governor, His Excellency, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the Executive Governor of Edo State, for creating an enabling environment for women to thrive.
The just concluded 2023 edition of the annual AKUGHA Women's Economic Summit featured interactive sessions among several women groups from across 18 local government areas of Edo State. It climaxed with a cultural display contest won by Ikpoba Oka local government area.
On the first position, I'm so happy to announce that Ikpoba Oka local government
Inside the Niger Delta,